e to the power x upon sin x. Sin x is also u upon v terms. U upon v. We also know that dy by dx. This is very easy. First of all, we have to write here v square. The v square means this. So we have to write sin square x, and sin x is remaining here in formula, or this is dy by dx of e to the power x. तो e to the power x का सेम, फिर माइनस, और फिर से e to the power x और डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ sin x, दिस इज इक्वल टू cos x, और दिस इज द dy by dx. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, y इक्वल टू e to the power sin inverse x. Sin inverse x. First of all, by chain rule, same to same, तो e के पावर sin inverse x और sin inverse x का डिफरेंशिएशन by chain rule 1 upon root under 1 minus x square. So we have complete second question. y equal to e के पावर, y equal to e to the power x के पावर 3. So we have to find dy by dx. तो सेम टू सेम, by chain rule e to the power x के पावर 3. It is first term is complete, second term is x के पावर 3. Smartly we have to write 3x square. This by chain rule, this is the answer. Fourth question is sin tan inverse e to the power minus x. We have to check y equal to sin tan inverse और e to the power minus x. Okay, so dy by dx. तो we have sin का cos, तो this is cos, this is angle. We have this is type to here, tan inverse e to the power minus x. First term is complete, second term tan inverse, तो this is tan का 1 upon 1 plus e to the power minus x का होल स्क्वायर. दिस इज फार्मूला tan इनवर्स x का, और दिस इज ऑल्सो e टू द पावर माइनस x का सेम. तो e के पावर माइनस x और दिस इज -1, तो दिस इज ऑल्सो ए -1. वी हैव टू चेक y इक्वल टू sin tan इनवर्स e टू द पावर माइनस x, तो dy बाय dx. तो फार्मूला इज sin का cos और एंगल हियर, तो tan इनवर्स e टू द पावर माइनस x. सेकंड इज tan इनवर्स, फार्मूला इज 1 अपॉन 1 प्लस e के पावर माइनस x, और थर्ड टर्म इज e के पावर माइनस x. तो सेम टू सेम, तो e के पावर माइनस x फिर -1 इज हियर, बिकॉज -1 इज कांस्टेंट. तो वी हैव टू कंप्लीट थर्ड एंड फोर्थ. y इक्वल टू, फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन इज log. वी हैव टू log cos and e to the power x. We have carefully, if here it is question, then this is very easy. By chain rule, we have write log. So this is x. So we have to write 1 upon this x is 1 upon x. So cos e to the power x. First term is complete. Second term is cos. So cos means minus sign. So this is minus sign e to the power x. Third term is complete, or next e to the power x. So this is fifth question. And also we have to explain log. तो x is here, तो 1 upon cos e to the power x. cos का minus sign e to the power x, and third term is e to the power x. So same to same. So मैंने fifth, this is sixth. Sixth question is e to the power x. e to the power x plus e to the power x square प्लस डॉट डॉट प्लस e के पावर x के पावर 5, दिस इज y. Okay, so this is very easy. Also we have to let dy by, so this is dy by dx, और e to the power x का सेम, so this is also e के पावर x, और 2 is, so here is e to the power x square into 2x plus dot dot, and here is e to the power x to the power 5, and this is also into 5x and 4. We have to explain. First of all, we have to write y equal to, so y equal to e to the power x, e to the power x square plus dot dot e to the power, this is addition form, so dy by dx e to the power x plus e to the power x square, here is 2x, dot dot e to the power x square same to same, और this is 5x के power 2. It is clear. Fifth or sixth question is complete. Y equal to root under e is a root x. We have to check y equal to e root e के power root. Okay. First of all, we have to write dy upon dx. This is the LHS. We have to find by chain rule. This is x. So this means 1 upon 2. This is the technique. E के power root x. First term is complete. Second term is e to the power root x, means e के power root x, same to same. And this is also root x, so 1 upon 2 root x. First of all, we have to explain y equal to e के power root x. Root means 1 upon 2 root x. Here is e के power root x, same to same, and root x का 1 upon 2 root x. By the shortcut method, by chain rule. 8 log x. So y equal to log, it is also easy, divided by dx. तो क्या होगा 1 upon log x, because log x is here, so 1 upon x into log x, to 1 upon x. It is the answer. 7th question is complete. 8th number question is complete. 9th. Here we have to write y. First, y equal to cos x upon log x. Cos x upon cos x upon, this is also, this is a division for u upon v. U upon v. Formula is, first of all, we have to take dy by dx. This is LHS, and this is, we have to write v square. So v is log x. First of all, we have to write from here. This is log x. We have to take log x. This is v, or differentiation means minus sin x. So minus, and this is sin x is remaining cos x, or log x का 1 upon x. First of all, we have to also explain y equal to cos x upon log x, the u upon v. So v square means log x का whole square. This is v, and v is remaining, or differentiation of cos x minus sin x. फिर sin minus is the formula, फिर cos x, फिर log x का 1 upon x. This is the dy by dx. 9. 10th number question. 10th question is y cos log x plus e to the power x. We have to check what is the question. Y equal to cos a small bracket log x plus e to the power x. Okay. First of all, we have to dy by dx. Starting from here, cos का minus sign, और here is, this is x. So we have to write from here log x plus e to the power x. फिर स्मॉल ब्रैकेट हियर log x का 1/x, दिस इज एडिशन टर्म, और e to the power x का e to the power x. We have also explained y equal to cos log x plus e के power x. So first of all we have to write, okay, this is complete.